Learn salsa dancing for beginners in 30 days. No border needed. Today we will practice the swap 360, the left pass, and the swap. We will be focusing on the most common combinations of these specific steps that you can see all the time on the dance floor. We will start with a swap offline to the left, back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, over the line and forward, and then the left pass, cross to the front, side, back, cross to the back, on the line and forward. Are you ready? Yes, day 19. Turn to your left and let's start. One basic with an anchor. And then swap offline to the left. Let's go. 5, 6, anchor. Swap offline to the left. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, over the line and forward. Now left pass. Cross to the front, side, back, cross to the back, on the line and forwards. Now basic with an anchor and then swap offline. Let's go. 5, 6, anchor, swap offline. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, over the line and forward. Now left pass, cross to the front, side, back, cross to the back, on the line and forwards. Now basic with an anchor and swap offline. Let's go. 5, 6, anchor, swap offline. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, over the line and forwards. Now left pass, cross to the front, side, back, cross to the back, on the line and full speed. Basic with an anchor and swap offline. 5, 6, anchor, back, open and left pass. Cross to the front and basic with an anchor and swap offline. Go. 5, 6, anchor, back, open and left pass. Cross to the front and basic with an anchor and swap offline. 5, 6, anchor, back, open and left pass. Cross to the front, on the line, basic, and now let's do it again, slow, basic with an anchor, and swap offline. Let's go. 5, 6, anchor, swap offline. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, over the line, and forwards. Now left pass, cross to the front, side, back, cross to the back, on the line, and forwards. Basic with an anchor and swap offline. Let's go. 5, 6, anchor, swap offline. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, over the line, and forwards. Now left pass, cross to the front, side, back, cross to the back, on the line, and forwards. Basic with an anchor. Last time slow, doing great. Let's go. 5, 6, anchor, now swap offline. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, over the line and forwards. Now left pass, cross to the front, side, back, cross to the back, on the line and full speed. Basic with an anchor and swap offline. 5, 6, anchor, back, open, cross to the back and left pass. Cross to the front and basic with an anchor and swap offline. Let's go. 5, 6, anchor, back, open and left pass. Now, cross to the front and basic with an anchor and swap offline. Let's go. 5, 6, anchor, back, open and left pass. Now, cross to the front. And now we'll do the L pass with an anchor. And then the swap 360, rotating on 5, 6, 7. We'll start with the basic offline to the left, turn to your right, and let's start. 1, 2, 3, offline to the left, back, side, forward. Now left pass, cross to the front, side, back, cross to the back, on the line, anchor. Now swap 360. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and on the line. Basic offline to the left and left pass. Let's go. Back, side, forward. Now left pass. Cross, side, back, cross to the back, on the line and anchor. Swap 360. Back, cross, open, cross to the back, rotate and on the line. Basic offline to the left. Yeah. Last time slow. Let's go. Back, side and forward. Now left pass. Cross, side, back, cross to the back, on the line, anchor. Now swap 360. Back, open, cross to the back, rotate and full speed. Basic offline to the left and left pass. Back, side, forwards, cross and swap 360. 5, 6, anchor. Back, open, rotate. Basic offline to the left and left pass. Back, side, forwards, cross and swap 360. 5, 6, anchor. Back, open, rotate. Basic offline to the left and left pass. Back, side, forwards, cross and swap 360. 5, 6, anchor. Back, open, cross to the back, rotate, basic. And let's do it again. Slow. Basic offline to the left and then left pass. Back, side, forward. Now left pass. Cross to the front, side, back, cross to the back, on the line and anchor. Swap 360, back, cross, open, cross to the back, rotate and on the line. Basic offline to the left and then left pass. Let's go. Back, side, forward. Now left pass. Cross, side, back, cross to the back, on the line and anchor. Swap 360, back, cross, open, cross to the back, rotate and on the line. Basic offline to the left. Don't forget to smile before going offline. Back, side, forward, left pass, cross to the front, side, back, cross to the back, on the line, anchor. Now swap 360, back, cross, open, cross to the back, rotate and full speed. One basic offline to the left and then left pass. Cross and swap 360, anchor, back, open, rotate, basic offline to the left and left pass. Cross and swap 360, anchor, back, open, rotate, basic offline to the left and L pass. Swap 360, anchor, back, open, rotate, basic and basic slow. And now we do a longer sequence, starting with swap offline to the left. 5, 6, anchor, swap offline. Back, cross, open, cross to the back, over the line and forward. Now left pass. Cross to the front, side, back, anchor on 7. Cross to the back, on the line, anchor. Now swap 360. Back, cross, open, anchor on 7, cross to the back, rotate, anchor, swap offline, back, cross, open, cross to the back, over the line and forward. Now left pass, cross, side, back, don't forget to anchor, cross to the back, on the line and anchor. Now swap 360, back, cross, open, cross to the back, rotate and full speed. One full basic and swap offline. Let's go. 5, 6, anchor, back, open and left pass. Cross and swap 360, anchor, back, swap offline to the left, anchor, back, open and left pass. Cross and swap 360, anchor, back, open, rotate on the line, basic and basic slow. And let's do the sequence again, starting with a swap off line to the left. Back, in place, anchor, swap off line to the left. Back, cross, open, cross to the back, over the line and forward. Now left pass, cross, side, back, cross to the back, on the line and anchor. Now swap 360, back, cross, open, anchor on 7, cross to the back, rotate, anchor. Now swap off line, back, cross, open, cross to the back, over the line and forward. Now left pass, cross, side, back, cross to the back, on the line and anchor. Swap 360, back, cross, open, cross to the back, rotate, and one basic, full speed. And swap off line, go. 5, 6, anchor, back, open, and left pass. Now, cross, back and swap 360, anchor, back, and swap off line, anchor, back, open, and left pass. Cross, back and swap 360, anchor, back, open, rotate, on the line, basic, and thank you very much for joining me. And don't miss the master tip at the end. Ready for day 20? Click here or check the description. And if you're not sure yet, remember that repetition is the mother of skill. So feel free to repeat day 19 again. The more you practice, the better you get. And if you found this video helpful, please scroll down and type the words "more practice" in the comments below. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. And today's master tip: practice with this video again, but faster. How fast can you go?